The next thing we will do is to knife in our character lines. We will use what's left of our side view template to do that. As you can see, the top edge of your template is the centerline section. Identify your rail and hood character line. Then cut the template on the line and discard the upper section. Gustavo will walk you through this process.
Our next step is to take our engineering template and knife in our character lines on the model. We line up the number 10 grid line and we go ahead and knife it in from straight side view.
Cut out your side glass as well. The next thing is to cut your template at the belt line from the front of the car to the rear C-pillar. Knife that line in as well. Then cut your template on the shoulder character line from the front of the car to the rear of the car and knife it in. Then cut your template at the rear character line and knife it in. Remember, all these lines are from side view only. Make sure you hold your knife parallel to the ground plane.
Go ahead and repeat the body side step for the passenger side.
Then you will take your plan view drawing, holding the center line of your drawing directly onto the center line of the model and lining up your X10 grid. Use a pencil and poke through the paper directly onto the clay, on all the character lines about every inch.
Now you can come back and knife in those character lines. From this point, it's as simple as connecting the dots. And these are your rough plan view lines. Once we are finished with our driver's side, we can simply flip our plan view template over, and with the same marks, just go ahead and mark them. And once again, connect the dots.